Now, the judge presiding over the murder charges against the South African runner Oscar Pistorius is due to deliver the verdict on Thursday. Tanya Pate has a preview.
Oscar Pistorius' daily dash into court has been broadcast around the world, his every move devoured, a seemingly insatiable appetite for details. The most sensitive moments were restricted by the judge to audio only. The Paralympian is accused of shooting his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp, who is behind a bathroom door. He says the Valentine's Day killing was an accident, that he thought she was an intruder. But the prosecution alleges he shot her in a jealous rage. Several neighbours testified they heard a woman's terrified screams and gunshots. In a first for South Africa, most of the trial has been broadcast live on television. Law Professor James Grant says that's a good thing.
They've given people, particularly in South Africa, where most people don't ever get to see justice in action, it's given people access to justice in a way that most people would never see in their lives. But there is that always present threat of sensationalism and misreporting.
Oscar Pistorius' status as an athlete would inevitably lead to a great deal of interest. There are journalists here from all over the world. Their viewers see this as enthralling entertainment. But South Africans are reminded this is their justice system at its best, a defendant who can afford the very best lawyers. Gender rights specialist Lisa Vetton says the media have put too much focus on the legal intricacies and not enough on issues like domestic violence and gun control laws.
I think in South Africa there's almost an immunity to certain sort of too much violence. It surrounds you on an everyday basis. Many people accept it. In many ways I think you can say that violence has become banal in South Africa. It takes the truly exceptional to make us suddenly sit up and think, maybe we need to look at this.
But whether viewed as purely entertainment or a trial with wider lessons, millions of people await the outcome. Tanya Pate, Al Jazeera, Pretoria, South Africa.